Shan Vidaure from BS Infotech for Software Technology. This is my reflection video about great idea doesn't always translates into great product. A great idea doesn't always automatically translate into a great product. Execution, innovation, and market demand intersect intricately to determine success. Brilliant concepts can falter due to poor design, inadequate resources, and effective marketing or insufficient market research. Additionally, timing, competition, and rapidly shifting consumers' preferences significantly impact product adoption. Feedback loops, iterative refinement, and adaptability become crucial in navigating these complexities. Embracing failure, learning from mistakes, and pivoting strategically distinguish successful innovators. Effective product development involves harmonizing creativity, technical feasibility, and commercial viability. Moreover, ongoing evaluation, customer engagement, and continuous improvement are essential for refining and perfecting the final product. Ultimately, transforming exceptional ideas into exceptional products demands perseverance, resilience, dedication, and willingness to evolve. Thank you.